Yes.
What kind of flowers do you know?
What kind of flowers do you know? I know only one flower, that is rose. And I like red roses very much. Since my childhood, I have seen only one flower, and that is rose. So to answer your question, I know about roses only. That's it. अगर रोज कोई और भी एक रोज फ्लावर होता है, एक रोज नाम भी होता है. ठीक है, टाइटैनिक में रोज था उसका नाम. So anyway, so what kind of flowers do you know?
I know only two kinds of flower. One is rose and second is jasmine, because these two flowers are very famous in Pakistan.
All right.
So answer to your question is I know only two flowers, which is
All
rose
right.
and jasmine.
Where does jasmine live? Huh? In my neighborhood? No. Okay. Just kidding. Next. That's good. Yeah? Good. Let's go on.
Have you sent flowers to anyone?
No.
Come on. Yeah, come on. Don't shy.
कभी दिए नहीं.
कहीं भेजी हो, फेंका हो, yeah, something like that. Have you ever sent flowers to anyone? Now please answer seriously.
No, I have never sent flower to anyone because I don't feel that flowers.
All right, listen, ask this question again.
Have you sent flowers to anyone?
No, I've never sent any flower to anyone as a gift because I never found any need for that. I've never been to any relationship, and sending flowers can be good for lovers and all that, but I avoid certain type of things. So to answer your question, I've never sent any flower to anyone at all. Allah Ta'ala maaf kar de. Okay, let's go on. Next question.
Have you planted any flowers?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Have you planted any flowers?
No, I have never planted any flowers because I have never been fond of flowers.
आपके सारे आंसर्स ना नेगेटिव चल रहे हैं, ठीक है, अच्छी बात है, that's good. Just try to elaborate. Have you ever planted any flowers? Well, no. I don't know how to plant the flowers, but I've seen some flowers in the nursery, and there I saw a gardener who was doing that all. But in order to answer your question, I would say I've never tried to plant any flowers because I'm not good at that. Okay, answer properly in 4-5 sentences to every question. One more question. All done? Okay, I'll ask you a question.
Okay.
Why do people use flowers on different occasions?
People use flower in different ways because they feel flowers is the most convenient way to send their loves and their positive message energy to someone. So that's why.
Yeah, you have full information, but you don't apply your knowledge, huh? Okay, that's good. So listen, your answers are fine. Be confident. Elaborate your points, at least 5 to 6 sentences, and be confident. Okay, even if the answer is no, you need to give the reasons for no. Right? Okay, thank you.